prosecutors may have overcharged Othal Wallace in connection with the shooting death of Officer Raynor. The trial for Othal Wallace, accused of shooting and killing deceased Officer Raynor of the Daytona Beach Police Department, is scheduled for September 5, 2023. The trial will take place in Claycounty, Green Cove Springs, Florida. Mr. Wallace has been awaiting trial since June 2021. Mr. Wallace's defense attorney, Tom Briscoe, filed a motion for change of venue requesting the trial court be moved from Volusia County, where the alleged crime occurred. The motion was granted by Judge Zambrano of Volusia County. State prosecutors have filed motions to have character evidence of Officer Raynor not admitted into evidence, and the judge has tabled the motion. The prosecution also abandoned the gang member aggravating factor previously stated. Mr. Wallace is charged with first-degree murder of a commissioned officer, which carries a death penalty sentence. However, during a hearing this month, defense attorneys questioned several witnesses regarding Officer Raynor's probable cause for the detainment of Mr. Wallace. The witnesses failed to state a clear reason for Officer Raynor's detainment and questioning of Mr. Wallace. This is problematic for the prosecutor, as the prosecutor must establish probable cause for the stop, which in turn will prove Officer Raynor's detainment of Mr. Wallace was legal and warranted. If prosecutors cannot establish that the detainment of Mr. Wallace was legal and warranted, the prosecutors may have overcharged Mr. Wallace, and the case may no longer be considered a death penalty case. Prosecutors have introduced evidence during discovery of several social media posts made by Mr. Wallace. Defense attorneys have filed motions to limit the amount of such evidence, stating the evidence is irrelevant and fails to establish intent. A hearing is scheduled for August 25th, 2023. At such time, Judge Zambrano may rule on these motions and several others. Mr. Wallace pled not guilty as charged, and with the hiring of an expert jury selection attorney, is prepared to stand trial. News, facts, and comments plan to be present at the start of the trial and will provide daily updates. For more stories like this one and others, please log on to www.newsfactsnc.net.